Bonjour watcher, this is Johnny45, and now for today I'm going to show you how to use an EViews for tutorial 3. So first you must click a file, new work file, then set a date which is 1975 to 2015 everyone. Now you will get this. After you get this, go to the command box and type data M2, GDP and DIR, and then click enter. You will get the work file here. Then you fill this out. Okay, fill this out.
1 hour later.
So after you key in your data, you go to the command box, type generate Lgdp equals to GDP. Click enter. Lgdp successfully compute. You can see from the left side, the below one. Next one, we generate LM2 equals to M2 and press enter. LM2 successfully compute. So next one, we go for Lgdp equals to log bracket Lgdp and then press bracket again, enter. Lgdp successfully compute. So we do for the same thing as LM2 equals to log LM2 bracket close and enter. LM2 successfully compute. Okay, next one. So we least square LM2 constants Lgdp and DIR. By clicking enter, you will get the end result, which is this table. You will see this is the end result that we will get. So this is the answer for 2A, everyone. Answer for 2A. Okay, so next one, we will proceed to the next question. So for B2, all you need to do is click view and then go for coefficient diagnostic. Then click on confidence interval. Since we want to only one, so we go for 0.95, which is the 5 levels of significance. Am I saying correct? Oh yes, I am saying correct. So by clicking here, you will get the end result, which is the same answer. So this is the answer for question 2B, everyone. This is the answer for question 2B. Now we proceed with the next question. So for the next question, for question 2D, by clicking a view again, we go for the pseudo-word diagnostics. We go for histogram normality test, if I'm not mistaken. So basically, this is the answer for the 2D, everyone. This is the answer for 2D. Later, for the explanation, I think you guys can explain by yourself. Just know the question, understand the question. Yes, understand the question, you will get the answer. So basically, this is how you click for the EViews for tutorial 3. Howdy losers, we meet again, and now I'm going to show you how to use an EViews to solve tutorial 4. Firstly, you click a file, new work file, and then since this is not time series data, we use unstructured one for the observation, which is total of 30. Now you get this one just by entering the command here, data, consumptions for CONS, INC for the income, and WEA for where, then click enter. You will get a work file here. Now we need to fill the data in this work file.
1 hour later.
So after you compute the data, just insert the least square consumptions C equals to income and wealth. So you will get the answer, which is this is the table that you will get for your answer for tutorial 4. I think is at question 2A. Am I done? No, not yet, not yet. We still need to calculate something. To answer the question, you need to click on this view. Go for coefficient diagnostics. You see the wall test there. This is to test the restrictions, if I'm not mistaken. So for this EViews command, we should insert C capital letter 2 equals to C3. We want to test the two constant, which is the income and the wealth. Please correct me if I'm wrong. So this is the wall test that you will get, which is the test F square and chi square. So this is the answer for the first question, which is the 2A question. So I'm going to teach you just how to compute using EViews. As for the rest of the hypothesis testing, you go there for your own. Go do that on your own. Don't let me do all the explanation. I don't want to do that. Okay, next one. We're going to answer for question 2B. By clicking the view again, go for coefficient diagnostics. We go for a wall test again, but this time we're going to test, which is the beta 2 plus 3 beta 3 equals 3 beta 3 equals to 1, or in alternative not equals to 1. So all you need to do is answer again. C2 equals to plus 3 C3 equals to 1. So you will get the answer later. Oh, wait. This means the multiply. So after you get this equals to 1, you click OK. And you will get this answer. Is it similar to my answer? Yes, it is. Next, after you've done this, you can calculate for the t-test. Yeah, we all know that to get the critical value, you need to refer to the table 3, 4 or 7. Depends on what test you are going to calculate. So for this one, you need to use a t-test, which means you will refer to the table 7. Is it table 7? Well, go find that on your own. I don't care anymore. Next one, we go for 2C. The same thing also. We go for view again, coefficient diagnostic. Click on the wall test. And next one, we just input the same thing just now. C2 plus 3 multiply C3. But this time equals to 2. We see what will happen to the test statistics. So if you click OK, you will see the test statistic is increasing. Decreasing or not? Well, you just look back after this. So I'm doing the good thing right now. So after you've done this, all you need to do is calculate the t-test again to see whether it reject or not, or is significantly or insignificantly. Next, to answer for 2D, you need to go to the table again. Click view and then click covariance analysis. So you just click for the correlation, then you lay out spreadsheet, then you click OK. Then this is the answer for your question 2D, if I'm not mistaken. Please correct me if I'm making a mistake. Well guys, we're still not done yet with E. So in order to test the auxiliary, you need to go here, right on the command list square income C equals to wealth. So we will get a new coefficient, if I'm not mistaken. So this is our new answer for dependent variable, which is the income, and see our wealth is this. So am I doing correct or not, guys? Tell me, say I'm doing correct. So we got the value for this just now. Now we want to test the VIP for these 3 variables. So click here, enter again, you will get this one. So next step is, all you need to do by clicking view, then go coefficient diagnostics. We go for the variance inflation factor. So by clicking here, you will get the results from here, which is this is the result. So this is the answer for 2E. Yes, this is the answer for 2E. Alright guys, I have done every steps for this. I think it should be no problem for you guys to do the tutorial 4 after this. Howdy fellas, now I'm going to show you how to solve tutorial 5 by using EViews. First, you go to the new work file. And then we go for unstructured data because it's not a time series data. So our observation is 49. So by clicking enter, you will get a work file here. Next one, all you need to do is key in the data, which is data, which, exper, and gen, and click enter. Next one, we need to fill in the data in these tables.
1 hour later.
So after you key in your data, we want to estimate the answer for 2A. We want to show the slope of male and female. So we just need to generate exgen equals to exper times gen. So by clicking enter, it will see exgen successfully compute, which can be seen from my left side below down there. So next, just least square as usual, ls equals to wage, while constant is means for the exper gen and also exgen. So by clicking enter, you will get the stable, you will get the data with the result. So this is the answer for 2A, guys. This is the answer for 2A. Next one, we will go for the question B. We want to test where the exgen is equals to 0. So by clicking the view here, we're going to coefficient diagnostic. We go for the wall test, guys. We go for the wall test. Okay, for here we can type, which is C4 equals to 0. So you will get the result later. So by clicking OK, so from here you can get the answer from here, which is the test, t-test, f-test, and chi-square. So we got the null hypothesis, which is C4 equals to 0. So this is the answer for the question 2B. If you want a further explanations, you can not PM me. No, don't you do that. Don't you do that, okay? So next we are going to answer for C. So as same as usual, by go here we get this one. Next we go for view. We do the same thing as usual just now. We go for the coefficient diagnostic, which is the wall test, but this time we insert C3 equals to 0 plus C4 equals to 0. So you will get the answer later. So this is the answer for question 2C, guys. This is the answer for 2C. Am I doing correct? Yes, this is the correct answer, guys. This is the correct answer. So for the rest of the calculations, I think you need to do this by yourself because I cannot explain the overall of that. I'm just going to show you the EViews thing, okay? I'm going to show you the EViews thing only. So right now, so we are test for the exper. So this is the answer, guys. This is the answer. Well, I guess I have shown you how to go for the commenting. Yes, as always, guys, thank you for watching my video. As always, my videos are just for fun. Don't take heart, brothers and sisters. Okay, bye bye.